are in the green. Now we are seeing green also in our area. Have here on the map. This is the areas that are under a flash flood watch, which is in effect mainly later this afternoon and into the early evening up to about 10 o'clock. You see the areas that are in the green. This is including Claxton to Hinesville, also and McIntosh County from Darien to Richmond Hill, Savannah, and also parts of the low country, mainly Beaufort County there. This is including Hilton Head as well. You're going to probably see some heavy rain later this afternoon, potentially some isolated areas have about 1 to 3 inches. And we had some localized flooding yesterday. Would not be surprised to see the same scenes once again today in some parts of the area. Be careful for that standing water on the road. Definitely do not want to drive through that. Some of it could be deep and you really don't know how deep it is at times. And here's a look at the rain totals we had yesterday. Not everyone had rain. You can see Beaufort down to Hilton Head, very little rain yesterday, and also south of Savannah. That's where we picked up some of the heavier downpours, especially in downtown Savannah all the way back toward Richmond Hill. One area we have highlighted right here, this is only Highway 204, just before the Bryan County line in Chatham County. 2.5 inches is how much Doppler radar estimates, and would not be surprised, like I said, 1 to 3 inches in some isolated areas later today. Now, one thing we're seeing this morning on live radar, nothing going on the land side. Everything is out over the coastal waters with some thunderstorms. You can see the lightning strikes there. They continue to pull away. We'll continue to track them as they move on off to the east, but will not move up over the beaches. No. Storm tracker forecast starting the day out. It is a mild start. Plenty of humidity out there. Been noticing humidity values right around about 93 to 95%. For that, we're seeing a little patchy fog to start the day out. Been reducing visibilities in some areas around a half of a mile. And then by the afternoon, 88 showers and storms will be likely with heavy rain. And then even into the evening at 9 o'clock, we'll continue seeing some heavy downpours. Now, the storm tracker model is showing the day starting out with showers out over the coast up to about lunchtime. You can see cloudy skies, maybe little peaks of sun. That's why I'm going with 88 degrees for highs. I do expect to see a little sunshine throughout the late morning and into the early afternoon. But after lunchtime, look how these showers begin to develop. I noticed yesterday at my house, I was beginning to hear the rumbles of thunder around 2 o'clock. That's about the time these storms will develop once again. Then after 2 o'clock, heavy rain through 4. And look at this in parts of Chatham County showing heavy rain right at 6 o'clock. That's why I think we could have some localized flooding once again later today, and then even into the early evening at 9 o'clock. Continue seeing showers and storms in parts of the area. Now, the reason for the unsettled weather stalled out front, sitting right over top of us. It will not move a great deal today, but it will finally begin moving out of our area once we go into tomorrow with less chance of rain for Wednesday and Thursday. Here is Hurricane Edward. Maximum sustained winds 110, almost a major hurricane. And when you look at it on satellite, boy, it is definitely looks like it probably may be a major hurricane. This is very classic looking hurricane here. You can see the eye right there in the center. One good thing is it's going to miss Bermuda, which is right there. It's going to continue turning northward and then eventually northeastward over the next couple of days, probably becoming a major hurricane, which will be the first one of the season, either later today or into tomorrow. We'll probably see it up to about maybe 115 mile per hour winds. And here's that weekend forecast. Saturday, I did add chances for showers. Look at that high on Saturday, 82 degrees. A pleasant day on Sunday, sun and clouds, 86 in the afternoon. And for Wednesday and Thursday, may be able to put those umbrellas away for a couple of days. Highs mid to upper 80s and a little bit cooler by the end of the week and into the first part of the weekend.